We're here in, where are we, love? Shinjuku, what?
We are in Shinjuku.
We are here in Shinjuku, and we're about to do a little bit more exploring around Japan. First stop, my wife loves this place. She loves the matcha there, so hopefully we can get her a matcha drink and do a little eating, a little shopping, and make my cameraman walk a little more, you know, because he's at the ocean and let's get it. I choose you, Evie. What is Evie attack? What is her attack? Is it dash? She got dash, yeah?
No, what's the...
Evie got swift. Swift!
No, what's the funny Evie one that they do?
Tackle.
Oh, it's tackle. It's the tackle. Tackle and the roar.
Roar.
The roar is like nothing. What the hell are you doing?
Tackle.
Oh, ow. Are we going? We're not waiting for them, huh?
Yeah, no, they're coming down. I don't know if he can...
This way, love. Yeah, but in the middle, right? I don't care. Or there. I love it. Yeah, but you can just order a drink and leave, right?
I think so.
I think so. I think so there's a spot to order a drink. Go, John. Go ask if, can I order one matcha? Go to the reservation side and ask. So go this way and walk all the way to the front door and ask if you can order a matcha. Yeah, you know right here. So you walk right here and you walk inside and ask if you can order a matcha. There's a cool bookstore over here. I know you guys might not think I read, but I read a lot. Just another day with the Holloways. Chicka chicka bow wow. Hey you. Let's go have some drinks, apple martinis, pina coladas. Got a lot of dollars. Brother, shopping around. Oh, look, we're at the beautiful Harajuku. Shopping, eating. Getting caught, man. Getting caught.
UFC Max Holloway.
Oh, no. Nah, I'm just joking. Yeah. How you doing?
Jim Chanson.
Yeah. Thank you.
Epic show, okay?
Yes, of course,
Okay.
of course.
Yeah.
Thank you. Take care.
Thank you.
Oh, look, right there, your favorite spot.
Well,
You can get your piece. You just like a snake. Like a snake. Snakey.
Watch the car, John.
How you doing, my friend?
Are you Max Holloway?
No. A lot of people think I look like him.
Oh, you do?
Nah, I'm just joking. Yeah, what's up, brother?
Okay.
How you doing?
I'm good.
Where you from?
I'm from Norway.
Oh, Norway? Nice.
Yeah.
Are you all here for vacation too?
Yeah.
Nice. You wanna get picked?
Yeah.
Yeah, let's get picked,
I'm
bro.
here with my girl.
Oh, nice. Yeah, let's get it.
Oh, I don't want to disturb you.
No, you wanna get picked? Yeah, let's get picked.
Oh, you
No
want a
worries.
picture?
Yeah.
Okay. I mean, I would like a picture.
Yeah. No worries.
I never met a
No.
fighter. Wow. This can be true.
Nah, thank you.
Thank you.
Nice meeting you, my friend. Nice meeting you.
Sorry.
No worries. Have fun. Be safe. Thank you.
Oh, hell yeah, Vincent. Good for you. Good job.
So they're so comfy.
For sure.
I have every color.
Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, my friend.
We go, we go.
We'll go.
We'll come back when you go to that. Thank you. '80s to '90s. Those are sick. These are super cool.
This, bro.
This is vintage 1980s. 1980s, bro. Yakuza glasses. Look in my eyes, boy.
That's not good. Yeah, that one.
1960s.
1960s. Secret.
We might come back for these.
Picky blind.
Thank you. Arigatou gozaimasu.
See you again.
Yes, we'll see you again. Thank you. Have a nice day.